So today we're going to show you how to take apart a 2022-2023 Ram Pro Master high roof. What you're going to need for this job is a little flathead or a regular size flathead, Phillips screwdriver, and a T30. We're going to be showing you how to remove the door panel to get to the mirror, and also removing the mirror as well for a full wrap. So first off, what you're going to want to do is take your flathead. Let me get this in closer for you guys so you guys can see what exactly I'm going to be doing. So you're going to take this screw off right here. So you're gonna have a Phillips screwdriver here. You're gonna have a 2 T30s right here, 1 T30 right here. You got Phillips 1, 2, 3. You also have to remove this to get to. You have to remove the speaker as well to take off the whole door panel. That off. See, here we're going to take all 3 screws off. Take this tab off. It's easier when you remove the speaker, and you'll be able to remove the whole door panel with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Phillips 1, 2, 3 T30s. 1, 2, and 3. So we're taking these off right here. Now, it's very important you guys take off the speaker to take off this door panel. There's number 3. Here's the other one. Ooh, nice catch. Ah, damn it, dropped it. Hands are getting slippery with these gloves on. There we go. We're also going to be removing these T30s. There's one. The other one up here. Alright, this is kind of getting hard to do with one hand, so I'm going to set down the phone. Actually, I'm going to show you guys. Remove this one as well. Now this is so you can have access to take off. We're not going to take off the door handles. We're going to leave those on, wrap around them. We are taking off the mirror though. This is why we're doing this, so you can actually get access to the mirror through here, but you are not going to be able to get access to the cable without taking off the door panel. Now, only last thing you're going to have to do is remove this. You can go ahead and use some needle nose pliers, or you can do it the way I do it. I lost my needle nose pliers, so I just have a flat head. I'll show you guys how to do that right now. So you want to open the door handle, get your flathead, go around it, and there you go. You take it off the mechanism. Now you want to go ahead and push down one tab, pull it in, and push the other tab. There we go. Like it's broken. And then you just pry this baby open. Oh, yeah. Also forgot, you do got to remove this. See here, it's just 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. Just push down on this little tab right here and pull back. I didn't get it that time. And there we go. Just kind of hard to do it with just one hand. And there also is another T30 right there. So it's in total of 4 T30s. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'll set this down so you guys can see how I remove this door panel. Now you do got a couple cables. This is just panel popper. You can take this one right off, and this one you just pull down on the red tab, pull back. It's easier with a flathead. Once you pull that tab back, just push down and it comes right on out. And this one, yes, pop right off, and then feed the cable through, and you got the door panel off. That easy.